Babil, don't go. Babil, don't go.
All the best to the 54th edition as well as thanks to you.
Sir, tell us a bit about.
Sir, इस तरफ एक sir.
I enjoyed myself working with and it's a very believable series based on but actually a story of unsung heroes who are great women. That's what we are doing. Anything in particular you're looking forward to except railway men in the film festival? Yeah, I unfortunately have never positive time, but next year probably. What is the impact of film festival that you feel with all of them together? I guess we're kind of making cinema global in terms of reaching out to the audiences here, knowing what kind of talent I can found all departments of filmmaking. So that's a very good exercise. Continue as long as possible.
सर इस तरफ सर इस तरफ एक हमारे इस तरफ सर सुना आया था कि जो आपके रेलवे में मूवी कोर्ट में भी चली गई थी तो ऐसे जब
कोर्ट में नहीं अभी तो हम लोग यहीं पे
हाँ नहीं मतलब ऐसे इंसिडेंट होते हैं तो मूवी को इफेक्ट कर देता मतलब जो
आप देखिए सीरीज उसके बाद आपको ये प्रश्न होगा
स्टोन मैन के बाद में मतलब रेलवे मैन क्या व्हाट इज दैट यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन ऑल मैन ओनली?
नहीं बहुत सारे किए उसके बावजूद मैंने बहुत लंबी हिस्ट्री
या आई नो दैट
29 साल हो गए सो नंबर ऑफ फिल्म्स डिफरेंट थिंग्स
बट व्हाट मेक यू गो फॉर एन कैरेक्टर मतलब क्या सोच के यू एक्सेप्ट द रोल्स?
वो अब कहना मुश्किल है मैम वैसा कोई ऐसा मापदंड नहीं है आप कोई स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हो आपको लगता है कि ये स्क्रिप्ट करनी चाहिए बस उतना ही
You are very active on OTT platform also and big screen also. So how do you find the difference as an actor therein?
For an actor it's not very different. Actor को तो truthfully पेश करना होता है. You have to be truthful in your act. So either the mediums for the actor is the same, but for the filmmaker perhaps it will be different because one is episodic, the one is just one film of 2.5 hours. So the technique might be different for a director and an editor and a music director and all those people. But for the actor it's the same.
Just tell us something about your film, no?
It's a series called Railwaymen and you must watch it. It's the backdrop is the Bhopal gas tragedy. So it's about the valor of railwaymen during that tragedy.
any upcoming movies?
Lots of them. I'll when time comes I shall tell you.
Thank you.